Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Angela. So in today's video, as the title says, I am doing a 2-year review on the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I'll be talking about the pros and cons of this bag, if it's worth it, the wear and tear, and if you should get it if you're considering to get this purse. If you're new here, I warmly welcome you to my channel. I post new videos on my channel every week about fashion, productivity, and lifestyle. So if that is something that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification because that will notify you every time I post a new video. Okay, so let's get right into the video. All right, so here she is, you guys, the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I got this in the My World Tour edition, and this is the monogram canvas with the black treated leather. And I will be talking a little bit about this in a bit, but I just want to tell you guys that I actually made a what's in my bag video a while ago about this Alma BB, and there I'm showing what fits in the bag, a little bit of background. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I'll link it right here. I chose this bag because it is just very, very timeless. I love the Alma. I feel like this purse is just perfect for daytime to nighttime. And if you're considering to get your first Louis Vuitton bag, I highly recommend getting this purse. Now, the reason why I went for the My World Tour edition is because I truly love the classic monogram, but I just couldn't deal with the fachetta leather. So the fachetta leather is actually the white untreated leather, and it patinas over time. But as soon as I saw that the My World Tour edition came out with this model, so you can actually customize it, and yeah, there was an option to get the monogram canvas pattern with treated leather, and I think that black is just my favorite color. It goes with literally anything in your wardrobe, so that's why I was so excited that the My World Tour edition brought out the Alma BB, and I knew like I want this bag because for the longest time I was contemplating, do I want the monogram canvas, the original one, or do I want the damier ebene? As I explained in my what's in my bag video, this is a pre-order bag. It will be customized, so I won't be going into detail about that. You can check it out in my previous video, but I will tell you that it took around 4 to 5 weeks for this bag to be made and sent. So let me just start with what comes with the purse. Now, you do get it in this dust bag. This is the classic Louis Vuitton dust bag. So in 2020, it was lockdown, but I did purchase the bag in store. I designed it in store, but then because of the lockdown, I actually got it sent to my house instead of in the store. But it is basically the same experience. So you do get it in a big brown box, and it doesn't show the Louis Vuitton sign, so it is completely safe. People would not know there's a designer bag in this package. And when you open it, it comes with the orange box and the navy blue ribbon. So other than the dust bag, what I really liked is that you'll get a little card that says customized for you, and I love that Louis Vuitton really treats the My World Tour edition bags as a customized, I mean, it is a customized experience, but you just feel very special because you know that this purse is just made for you. And depending on what kind of stickers you choose, it is basically one of a kind. So the other stuff that comes in the bag is the strap, and this is just the classic black strap with gold detailing. It is a very sturdy strap. Now the strap is detachable, but it is not adjustable. The length is pretty universal. You can use it as a shoulder bag, but you can also use it as a cross body bag. Now the next thing you get is the padlock. but this is just like really fast, and it does come in this mini dust bag, which is totally cute. I already have it on the purse, but it also comes with the lock. So this is an actual lock. You can lock this purse through the holes right here if that is what you want. And that's about it. That is what comes with the purse. So I will show you my Alma BB a little bit up close. This is her. This is the monogram canvas with the black treated leather. This is the front. This is the side profile, and this is the back. Now, because it is a custom purse, you do have to personalize it. You cannot just order this model without any stickers, but I chose the initial stickers. So I just have one sticker, which is this one, and it just says LV, and I picked it in black and white. So you can actually have two options for the lettering, and I chose the main color to be black and then the shadow color white. Now, this is a great hack if you do want a very minimal bag and you don't want to have all the stickers. You can do this, and I've actually seen this on Instagram, so I did not come up with this. I actually got inspired by other people that ordered the Alma BB before me, and I just wanted a minimal bag, so that's why I only chose for the initials. I do love that the side says that it's made in France. I don't know about you guys, but as a Louis Vuitton fan, I just love it when the products that we buy are actually made in France. It could be from anywhere in Spain and Italy, but I prefer my products to be made in France because that's where it's from. Now, one thing I also fell in love with when I saw this bag is that because of the black treated leather, the inside of the monogram canvas, my World Tour edition, is also different. So in the original, the lining inside is brown, and in this edition, it is actually the cherry red, and it's a beautiful cherry red color. I just love it. This is actually the color that's inside the Demi Ebene, but for this particular My World Tour edition, it is also red. And I just think that with the black and the red, it's just, oh my gosh, it is the most perfect and beautiful contrast, and it's just so luxurious. Now, speaking of lining, I do have one tip for you guys. If you would want to really take care of your bag, I have to say this is a very structured bag though, so you don't have to worry about your Alma BB losing its shape, but I do highly recommend getting a insert. And usually you use inserts and organizers for big purses, but because this is a beautiful and luxurious bag, I do want to protect the inside. It's not even for organizing because you would not need any compartments because this purse is so small, but this is just handy because it does have some compartments, but then also at the same time, the main reason why I use an insert with this purse is to protect the bottom. I don't know about you guys, but I carry lip products, I carry perfume, and I do have some liquids in my purse. So I don't want to risk any of those products leaking in my purse and the red interior, and I highly recommend getting an insert. Now let's talk a little bit about the pros and the cons of this purse. One of the main pros is obviously that is a classic mini bag, and even though this is considered a mini bag, but you'll be surprised what actually fits in here. And don't forget that I actually use a insert, so it does take a little bit more space. One of the pros for this particular one with the black leather is obviously that it's treated, so it will not patina. You do not have to worry about water stains or uneven patina. It will just look like this and stay like this. Another pro is that this purse has feet, and I like that it has feet. You will see tear on this, wear and tear, but it's better it's on the feet than on your actual purse, right? Another pro is that this will not lose its shape. I feel like it's a very sturdy and structured purse, which I love. Another big pro is that it has a top handle. Now, I love to use this purse at night with just the top handle. Now, for some cons, I think the biggest con would be that the opening is not as easy to get into because it has two zippers on the left and the right. It's not as smooth I know that some are smoother. My mom actually has an Alma, but hers is a lot smoother. I don't know why, but this isn't as smooth as some of the other ones that I've seen. If this is your everyday purse, it is a little bit of a hassle to like open it like this, you know what I mean, and then go in it. Now let me show you some wear and tear of this purse. I see a little bit of wear on the hardware right here. So you can't really see it, but it has minimal wear, but it's definitely there. It is only on this hardware. The other hardware doesn't have any like wear. Even the zipper looks perfect on both sides. The bag itself has no scratches, but even on the leather, the black leather, it does not have any scratches. The top handle is still very smooth, and even the bottom has no wear on the actual leather. Now there is some wear on the feet, obviously. I would say it is almost the same as on these sides, but it is not very noticeable. I just feel like for 2 years, I am very impressed how it held up, and I just feel like I'm gonna be having this purse for decades. Like, I'm not planning on selling it. I will definitely keep this. All the other hardware is looking, yeah, as good as new. Also for the clasps on the strap, I have to tell you guys, I do not baby my bags. When I say I use it every day, I use it every day. And I would go everywhere. I would do grocery shopping, I would go shopping, I would go to dinners, I would go to lunch, I would do anything with the purse, and it looks perfect. It looks brand new for 2 years wear, and I would say I did abuse this purse a little bit, worn it in every weather condition. I think the end conclusion is, do I recommend this purse? 100% yes. Especially if you would get it in the My Realtor edition. I cannot really say anything for the original monogram canvas because it has the fascetta leather, right? Which does patina, and you do get water stains and all that stuff. But for this particular purse, I 100% recommend it. It is, in my entire collection of purses, my favorite purse, and I would recommend it to anyone. It doesn't matter if you are in high school, in college, if you are a young adult, if you are a mom, if you are a grandma. This is just the perfect purse for anyone, really. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to decide to get the Alma BB, I highly recommend it. Or if you're watching this and you just got your Alma BB, congratulations, you are gonna love this purse so much. And yes, guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave a like and a comment if you'd like to. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.